we're gonna find a place to build a base. Another one. We have a couple in this house. So we have some room under the sink. We've got some room in the refrigerator in the bottom. I left some nice space at the bottom, just in case we could do something with it. I know we'll be able to run through there, so that's the beginning of our drain. We're in our sink water. Okay, this is our hidden door here. Let's clean this up in here. We have to make it where you can run through the oven. I'm gonna put some stairs and I'm getting burned. It's cozy in here. We're gonna build some more stairs and then clean this outside up a little bit so we can build a base in here. It's hanging out in the oven. Okay, where should we start? Okay, we need a farm. We need some plants in here. We're just gonna dedicate this side, this corner right here, to our maybe some wheat and some beetroot. Something we can use in survival. Our garden area. Okay, we're going in and getting our beetroot and our wheat. And we'll just plant that. So we'll have plants here all the time. We'll have a food source. All right, success. We need something to keep stuff in, of course. Those look cute right there. Our garden area. I'm just kind of decorating it. We have beetroot and wheat. This is already a super cute base. We're gonna put these furnaces, we're gonna have plenty of them, making a full wall. I think I'm gonna use the bookshelves and make us like a little office area, a workspace. All right, we're gonna make a little workspace in this enclosed area in here. Maybe we can put some valuable items. We'll use our picture frames. There's our gold and our end crystal. Okay, we'll get our lights back in. Look at that. What a great workspace. Okay, we need a place to put another workspace area. Let's use these conductors, which looks like a DJ booth. So we have a DJ booth in our base. Our plants are growing. I'm gonna add some lights. Like they have grow lights in here. You would need some lights if you did not have the sun. Look at, I love our garden area. Okay, let's get a picture frame. Put some stuff on our wall here. We'll light it up. I think I want to put a train track here so you can haul whatever you need from one side of your base to the other. There you go, you can haul your wheat, any of your harvest. You'll be able to just put that in your cart, push it to the other side. These carts are fun. We're gonna have an entire back wall of storage. Storage cabinets. Maybe we can do another gardening area over here. We need to fence it in, of course. Give us a platform. Okay, you can still walk in between and tend to your garden here. Pumpkin seeds this time. We have pumpkins and then melons. Let's go see if our wheat and beetroots are growing, and they are. That is so exciting. We'll finish this garden area out. like to frame it in. We're gonna stabilize it. That looks good. I think we're gonna put some mushrooms alongside. I love these things. They make them so colorful on here. Gourmet mushrooms. You could eat pretty good if you live down here. You can cook your food in a giant oven. I'm gonna make a little area for the bed. Cozy little spot. There's our bed. It's gonna be nice and warm in there. Give us some privacy while we sleep. I'm gonna go ahead and pack some stuff in these chests. We're gonna need our hoe, of course. So we can still continue to do the farming and gardening. We'll be much more prepared in survival. Just doing a little decorating now. I'm decorating with important items. Okay, we need a trash can, a compost for our food here. And you can load it on your track into your cart. Put that food in our chest here. This is an amazing base. I would live down here. We're going to be able to come in here and get resources anytime we need. These little bases are fun to build. Adding a little more food. Yeah. I'm very pleased with how this base turned out. We'll do more of these little bases in the next videos.